We're so excited to be here today sharing with you one of our family Hanukkah tradition, which is to make Latkes. So let's get cooking. So we like to do this in a food processor because it's not messy, it's super quick, and it's going to create a sort of a batter. Pay attention when you put it in so it doesn't splatter.
Oh, it is sizzling right away.
Frying them for about a minute or so on each side. Okay, so we have our latkes. We thought we would show you 3 really fun toppings. Raise it on top with me.
Tomato sauce on the pizza.
Oh. Deliciousness? Yeah, you love it? Great. Happy Hanukkah. Hope you make these latkes and enjoy them as much as we do. Happy Hanukkah.
Bye.